Hello all, welcome to VJD Academy. Now let me take the second unit of digital electronics, which is called as combinational circuits. Sir, combinational circuits. Combinational circuits, a very important topic or very important unit in GATE point of view or even any competitive exam point of view. We can expect even 2 or 3 marks from this particular unit. We have a multiplexer concept. There is a huge chance of getting one question from multiplexer concept. Let us try to understand what is combinational circuit and how to understand it, how to solve the problems based upon the given procedure. Let us try to understand. Sir, a combinational circuit. To understand combinational circuit easy, let me explain even sequential circuit also. Of course, sequential circuit can be learned in third unit as a separate unit. Even let me take even the sequential circuit is third unit concepts. Even I would like to compare what is combinational and what is sequential. Let me try to compare so that we will understand combinational concepts easily. Sir, here let me write a few differences. Here combinational circuits and sequential circuits. There are a few differences here. Let me try to explain what is combinational and what is sequential. So basically the first point of combinational circuit is it is a circuit which output depends only on its present input. Its output only depends on its present input. Whatever the input we are giving, based upon the input, it is producing the output. So coming to sequential circuit, what is the first point of sequential circuit? It is a circuit. Its output depends on its present input and even previous output. How this present output depends on present input and previous output? Let me explain while we are dealing with flip-flops and counters, resistors. Now the second point of combinational circuits is here no feedback presence. If you look at the equation or digital circuit, suppose this is what digital circuit. Here inputs, let me take A, B are the inputs. Outputs here we can say Y1 and Y2. Here there is no feedback. What is the feedback, sir? We are just connecting the output back to input. That is called feedback. Here that kind of feedback connection is not available in combinational circuits. Coming to sequential circuit, here the second point is feedback presence. In this particular circuit, sequential circuits, feedback presence, which means here this is what A input and this is B input. Here output Y1 and now this is output Y2. Here one of the outputs will again connect back. Here we will take one memory. Here we can say one memory which is used to store one bit, and now we will connect back to one of the inputs. So this is what feedback, and this is what we can say memory, and it can act as a buffer. It can store one bit element. Now either 0 or 1. Now here the third point is no memory presence. No memory presents as like sequential circuit. Coming to third point of sequential circuit, here memory circuit is present. Here third one is memory presence. Memory presence. Here the fourth point is here no clock CLK. Simply we can represent no clock signal is present. No clock signal presence. Here coming to sequential circuits, sir, here a clock signal presence. CLK. We can represent clock signal presence. So basically clock signal is used to make synchronization in sequential circuits. How it provides a synchronization for sequential circuits while we are dealing with the counters, we will try to understand. Examples of combinational circuits, we can say adder, full adder, half adder, subtractor, even mux. We can simply call it as multiplexer, demultiplexer, and then encoder, something like that. There are 9 to 10 circuits we are going to learn under combinational circuits. And coming to sequential circuits, there are 3 circuits only, which are, first one is flip-flop, and second one is counter, and third one is register, not a resistor. This is a register, which is 1-bit storage element, which is used to store 1 bit, either 1 or 0. Of course, here this is a resistor we are actually placing here to store 1 bit. Of course, that is called as memory, or that is also called as buffer to store 1 bit. So these are the basic differences, sir, to understand. So then we will start to understand what is adder and how it works. Let us try to understand. While doing combinational circuit problems, we have a defined 5-step procedure. Let us try to understand, see the 5 steps first of all, and then start to. Hello all, welcome to VJD Academy. Before going to understand the combinational circuit and its analysis, let me try to explain the procedure to understand the combinational circuits. We have a 5-step procedure. Let me try to explain here. Sir, the 5 steps of combinational circuits are, the first one is identify the number of inputs and outputs. The second step is construct truth table, and third one is write the logical expression. Write the logical expression, and then fourth one is minimize the logical expression. And the final one is implement logical circuit. So these are the 5 steps that we must follow whatever the circuit we are dealing under combinational circuits. Let us try to understand half adder, full adder, and then half subtractor, full subtractor, and even multiplexer, demultiplexer, encoder, decoder. All the circuits, carry, look, ahead adder, all these combinational circuits we are going to learn by following these 5-step procedure. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe.